Macro shot of thick toothpaste paste swirling smoothly, creamy texture detail, glossy surface, studio-style lighting, automated system adding fluoride into toothpaste mixture. Precision-controlled valves, clean stainless steel environment, robotic arms adjusting ingredient flow valves. High-tech automation, futuristic factory visuals, cinematic look. Quality control laboratory with technicians testing samples, scientific environment, glass beakers, bright sterile lighting. Close-up of pH testing strip dipped into toothpaste solution. Macro laboratory photography, sharp detail, clean background, scientist inspecting toothpaste under a microscope. Research focus scene, soft lab lighting, professional realism. Flavor development room with mint essence containers. Neatly arranged bottles, clean lab setup, vibrant colors. Close-up of mint flavor liquid being measured precisely, scientific accuracy, glass instruments, shallow depth of field, technician adding flavor into toothpaste base. Controlled environment, careful movement, documentary style, large storage tanks holding finished toothpaste base, industrial scale machinery, overhead lighting, clean metal surfaces. High-angle shot of pipes transferring toothpaste to filling line, complex network of pipes, industrial symmetry, cinematic depth, automatic toothpaste tube filling machine operating at speed. High detail mechanical motion, factory documentary style. Slow-motion toothpaste flowing into empty tubes of perfect consistency, smooth motion, macro-industrial shot. Close-up of precision filling nozzles dispensing toothpaste, stainless steel detail, sharp focus, clean environment. Heat sealing machine sealing toothpaste tubes, controlled heat process, industrial realism, cinematic lighting. Macro shot of sealed tube edge with flawless finish. High detail product photography, soft shadows. Laser printing machine adding expiry date on tubes, red laser light, industrial technology, sharp focus. Close-up of batch number and expiry date on tube. Conveyor belt carrying hundreds of filled toothpaste tubes, sense of mass production, motion blur, wide-angle view, inspection cameras scanning each toothpaste tube, automated quality control system, futuristic visuals, rejected tubes diverted from main conveyor line, automated sorting process, efficiency focus scene, worker manually inspecting random toothpaste samples, human quality check, focused expression, clean workspace pressure testing machine squeezing toothpaste tubes. Mechanical force testing, industrial accuracy, up of toothpaste squeezed out for consistency test, smooth texture detail, macro shot, neutral background, packaging area filled with flat Colgate cartons, colorful packaging materials, organized production floor, carton forming machine folding toothpaste boxes, mechanical precision, repetitive motion, industrial style. Robotic arms placing toothpaste tubes into boxes. High-speed automation, synchronized movement. Close-up of box flaps being sealed. Perfectly packaging detail shot, clean edges, sharp focused barcode printing on toothpaste packaging, industrial printer in action, clear barcode lines, scanner reading barcodes for inventory tracking, digital logistics system, glowing screen, modern look. High-speed conveyor moving packed boxes forward, motion blur effect, sense of efficiency. Shrink wrapping machine wrapping toothpaste bundles. Transparent plastic film tightening around products, a glossy wrapped toothpaste packs exiting machine. Reflective surfaces, commercial product look. Finished toothpaste packs ready for shipment. Neatly aligned products, warehouse lighting. Workers stacking cartons onto pallets using forklifts. Warehouse activity, industrial realism. Wide warehouse filled with Colgate toothpaste pallets. Large storage area, depth and scale visible. Pallets wrapped and labeled for distribution. Logistics focus scene, clean organization, truck being loaded with toothpaste boxes. Distribution process, industrial realism. Sealed truck doors ready to leave factory, end of production journey, cinematic framing, digital map showing global toothpaste distribution routes. Infographic style visualization, clean design. Montage style visualization of toothpaste reaching stores. Fast-paced documentary transition shot, supermarket shelves filled with Colgate toothpaste retail environment, bright lighting. Different Colgate toothpaste variants displayed together. Product comparison shot, clean composition. Close-up of whitening toothpaste packaging. Sharp branding, commercial product photography, sensitive teeth toothpaste variant close-up, clear labeling, soft lighting. Kids toothpaste packaging with bright colors. Playful design, cheerful visuals. Eco-friendly toothpaste packaging line. Sustainable materials, green-themed factory visuals. Recycling section inside the factory, wastewater treatment plant within factory, industrial filtration systems, clean operation, purified water system used in toothpaste production. Clean pipes, controlled flow, hygiene focus. Engineers monitoring sustainability systems. Control room environment, digital displays. Solar panels installed on factory rooftop. Renewable energy focus, wide aerial shot. Energy control room tracking power usage. High-tech monitoring screens, dark room lighting. Employees attending safety training session. Educational environment, professional setting. Emergency drill inside factory production area. Safety-focused action scene, organized response. First aid station within factory premises. Clean medical area, safety compliance visuals. Clean room with strict hygiene protocols. Sterile environment, white suits, bright lighting, air filtration system maintaining dust-free production. Ventilation equipment, industrial cleanliness. Close-up of air quality sensors. High-tech monitoring devices, sharp detail. Factory supervisor inspecting production line. Leadership presence, documentary-style framing.
Team meeting discussing daily production targets. Professional workspace, collaboration scene. Digital dashboard showing daily toothpaste output. Production statistics, modern UI design. Night shift production line operating. Artificial lighting, moody industrial atmosphere. Low-light cinematic shot of machines running overnight. Dramatic shadows, factory realism. Time-lapse style visualization of factory operations. Blurred motion, sense of continuous production. Close-up of rotating gears inside machinery. Mechanical detail, macro industrial shot. Lubrication system keeping machines smooth. Maintenance process, clean metal surfaces. Maintenance engineer repairing filling machine. Technical expertise, focused action shot. Spare parts inventory room. Organized shelves, industrial storage. Central control room with CCTV screens. Security monitoring, multi-screen setup. Security staff watching production floor on monitors. Surveillance environment, professional setting. Fire safety system installed across ceiling. Sprinkler pipes, industrial safety design, that close-up of fire sprinkler head. Safety equipment detail shot. Colgate Research and Development Laboratory. Innovation-focused environment, modern lab design. Scientists developing new toothpaste formula. Research activity, collaborative lab scene. Prototype toothpaste tubes on lab table. Experimental products, clean workspace. Consumer testing samples arranged neatly. Product testing phase, neutral background. Focus group feedback visualization. Customer insight scene, modern presentation. Design team working on new packaging concepts. Creative workspace, digital design screens. 3D render of future toothpaste tube design. Futuristic product visualization, clean background. Brand marketing visuals displayed on screens. Corporate branding environment. Wall showing history of Colgate brand. Timeline design, heritage, Visu. Corporate infographic style. Export documentation office, inside factory. Paperwork processing, professional environment. Close-up of shipping documents and labels. Logistics detail shot. International shipping containers stacked. Global trade visuals, industrial port style. Toothpaste containers being loaded at port. Export process, wide-angle shot. Distribution trucks driving on highway. Logistics in motion, cinematic road shot. Toothpaste arriving at pharmacy stores, retail delivery scene. Family using Colgate toothpaste at home. Lifestyle scene, bright bathroom lighting. Close-up of toothpaste applied on toothbrush. Macro product shot, clean white background. Slow-motion swirl of toothpaste. Artistic macro shot, glossy texture. Dentist recommending Colgate toothpaste. Professional clinic environment. Dental clinic promotional visuals. Clean medical setting. Colgate Smile campaign imagery. Positive emotion, bright visuals. Modern bathroom product placement shot. Minimalist design, lifestyle, photography. Wide factory shot during sunset. Golden light, cinematic ending. Colgate logo glowing above factory skyline. Brand-focused cinematic shot. Production line slowing down at end of shift. Calm industrial atmosphere. Final documentary frame. From factory to your smile. Clean,